One of the most common questions I get asked when it comes to selling digital products is, what if I have no audience? What if nobody knows who I am? And what if I have zero followers? So in this video, I am going to explain to you how anyone can start getting traction and leads selling their digital products with $0. No, we are not running any paid advertising because truthfully, when you are running paid ads, this is complicated for a beginner. So everything that I am going to teach you in this video is strictly organic. This means you are not paying any platform to get leads. Leads are coming to you for free. Now, I should start by saying that this will take some time and effort. Money is not just going to fall into your lap. So if you are someone that is looking to get rich quick from digital products, then this video may not be for you. However, if you are someone that is looking to learn how to make your first $1 million with digital products this year, then please make sure you watch this YouTube video because I break down everything for you step by step on how beginners can earn their first $1 million with this type of online business. Okay, so first, I need you to understand something. The biggest objection that I get when it comes to someone starting their digital products business is that they tell me things like, I have no audience. And we need to remember that every single person on planet Earth, including the Kardashians or Jennifer Aniston or any celebrity that you know, everyone starts from zero, okay? Nobody gets online and then they automatically have 1 million followers and subscribers. That does not happen. You will get leads and traction over time. Same goes with celebrities, same goes for every rich person that you see on the internet. It takes time for them to get traction. So you need to understand that it is unlikely for you to become super popular overnight. But I will share with you strategies on how you can grow quicker and how you can make your first $1 million this year. If you are still telling yourself, but I have no audience, or but nobody knows who I am, these are excuses that you are making up, and these are preventing you from achieving real growth. So in order to get paying customers to our digital products, we must learn how to provide value on the internet. Now, what is a value? Basically, when you are providing value on the internet, you are helping people solve their problems. For example, I am providing value to you right now. I am trying to help you make money online. I am trying to help you start a digital products business. Every content creator that you see online is trying to provide you with value, whether that's trying to help you solve a problem in your personal life, or maybe you are looking at creators who are trying to help you save money, or you are watching creators teaching you how to cook. So when it comes to you selling your digital products, you have to understand what you are providing to your audience. What problems can you solve? Now, if you are someone that tells yourself, oh, but I cannot help solve anyone's problems, or oh, I'm useless and I don't know how to help other people. Well, if you cannot figure this out for yourself, then you probably are not in a position to start any business, and you probably do not deserve to make any money, because true entrepreneurs will find a way to solve other people's problems. That is how money is made. Think about it. When you go to the grocery store, you are paying for groceries. Obviously, the groceries that you are buying is a value. You need to eat to survive. So same goes for when you are trying to sell a digital product. What value are you providing to your audience that is going to help them achieve a specific outcome? Think of this as like choosing a niche. So for example, my niche is helping people make money online. I help you make money. Now, you may not have the same niche as I do, but you can have any niche that you want online. Another example is I used to have a student that was obsessed with looking good. She was into beauty, she was into fitness, and her niche was helping others how to become a hot mom. So she was selling a digital product, teaching others how to do their makeup and how to get fit after giving birth. So when you are thinking about what type of value you want to deliver online, just think of things that you are good at and think of things that you are passionate about. Are you into fitness? Are you into hiking? Are you into cooking? Are you into puppy training? Are you into healing relationships? The list goes on. There are billions of people actively on the internet looking for people like you who are able to provide them with value and to help solve their problems. Again, this can be something that you have experience with. Do not overthink it. You are providing value to your audience online. Next, this is the most important part when it comes to selling your digital products with no audience. And that is you must start creating and posting content. Look, I know that if you have never used your phone to make money online before, then this may feel foreign. It may feel a little awkward. You're probably thinking, how am I creating and posting videos online? Well, you will know what to create and what to post on social media after you figure out what value you can deliver to your audience. For example, it has been 7 years that I've been posting educational content on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you name it. I am always talking about making money online. I am always providing value to my audience when it comes to helping them make money online. So after you choose a niche and you know exactly what type of value you want to provide to your audience, now you can start creating and posting content around it. Now you may be thinking, but Tamara, I don't want to get on camera. I feel uncomfortable on camera. So this is when you use AI to create faceless content for you. You can still get traction and leads to your social media account and have people buying your digital products without showing your face. But I need to be honest, if you were to show your face, it builds trust a lot quicker. For example, imagine you never saw my face ever on camera and you only hear my voice. It probably will take a little longer period of time before you invest in any of my digital products because you don't see the face of the company. So when you do show your face on camera, I'm just telling you that it is easier to make money. However, again, if you do not want to show your face and you want to go completely faceless, then I can teach you how to do that in a training that I put together in the YouTube description below. In that training, I am also going to teach you how to make your first $1 million this year with online education and digital products. Another way to sell your digital products without having you to go on camera all the time is to clone your face. So there are AI software tools where you can shoot one short video of your face and then AI will clone your face and do all the talking for you. Again, I can teach you exactly how to do that in my training. So if you have no audience, no followers, and nobody knows who you are, what are you going to do with these videos that you just created and posted on your social media? So this is where the magic happens. You see, when you are posting valuable educational content online, the algorithm on Instagram or YouTube or whatever social media platform that you are using to post content, it is going to push out your content to viewers who are likely interested in what you have to say. All you need to do is continuously put out value to the public. The algorithm will find you viewers, and eventually people will start liking and sharing your content. And that is how you can build an organic audience for yourself with $0. Like I said earlier, if you want to sell your digital products with no audience, then you are going to have to use your efforts and time. Remember what I said. Everybody starts from zero. Now, when you start this process, you may feel like you are alone. You may feel like, oh my gosh, nobody's watching me. I'm just going to give up. And that is the wrong mindset to have. When I started posting educational content on my social media accounts, I started with Facebook and then YouTube and Instagram. And I also used to post on TikTok. I had little to no views when I was starting. And in the beginning, this made me feel unmotivated. But I think after posting a few pieces of content, it became a part of my lifestyle. So I don't go a long time without producing content because this is part of my lifestyle. I don't look at it as a job. I don't look at this like a chore because I know I have value to share. And if I continue to share my value with my audience, it is only a matter of time that I gain their trust and that they would want to invest into my digital products so they can learn from me. I want you to understand that we are not going from 0 to 100. In other words, you will not make your first $1 million overnight. But the best part about creating and posting content is that your content will go to work for you in your sleep. For example, you can see other videos that I've made on my YouTube channel. You can see content that I've created on my Instagram accounts and Facebook. And this is running in the background and attracting new viewers while I sleep. So while I'm sleeping, the algorithm is continuing to push out my videos to people who they think is interested in what I have to offer. So when this happens enough times, this is when the compound effect starts to happen. Let's say you post one video and then two videos and then three. All of these videos are working in the background and racking up views for your social media to get those likes, those followers, those paying customers while you are working on other things. For example, I am filming this video right now, and I already know that there are other viewers watching my other videos. So when you look at it with that perspective, that should motivate you to continue to provide value to your audience. Eventually, you will grow. Eventually, the compound effect starts to happen. One customer buys your digital product, they tell their friends, their family, and then other people buy your digital products, and the views keep racking up. Your following and your audience starts to grow. And that is when you can make passive income selling digital products that require little to no effort because you already put in all the effort and time up front. If you have learned anything in this video so far, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Now, before I let you go, hopefully this has inspired you to get started today. Now, one of the biggest objections when it comes to creating and posting content is that newbies tend to think that they need to look glamorous on camera or that they need to have some sort of fancy equipment to film their videos, or they think that they need to have Hollywood production when it comes to editing. But let me tell you, I've been shooting my videos on a freaking iPhone for the last 7 years, and I use natural lighting. Behind my iPhone is natural lighting. And when I sit in front of natural lighting, I don't need to buy any fancy equipment. This iPhone can pick up my voice just fine. I don't need to buy a microphone. So there should be no excuse as to why you are not starting your digital products business today. Remember, the compound effect will only kick in, and you will only make money with your digital products if you get started. If you watch this video and you ignore it, you forget about it, or you tell yourself that you are too busy, then nothing is ever going to happen for you. So if you need help with creating your first digital product and you want to make your first $1 million this year, then make sure you check out my training in the YouTube description below. I will walk you through how to create your entire digital product with AI, how to run your entire digital products business with one AI agent, and of course, teach you how to do AI faceless content if that is what you are into. Stay tuned for the next video coming up, because if you are someone that has tried multiple businesses but you keep failing, I am going to help you fix that problem so you can be on your way to making money online.